What's up, my little acorn squash? And how's it going? You ready for Gordon Ramsay Challenge Part 2? Oh, and welcome to J-Max Amateur Kitchen. So this is episode 2 of our Gordon Ramsay Challenge series. The challenge is to see if an amateur can cook and extract the meat from a lobster like Gordon Ramsay shows on Masterchef. Full warning, I've never done this before. Am I nervous? Yes, but if I can do it, you can do it. This intro's been long enough. Let's get started. First step, get yourself a pot. We're just filling that up with water. Stovetop, got it on full blast. Salt. Cover it up, bring it to a boil. Alright, so this is our lobster. Instead of just dropping him in boiling water alive, we're gonna humanely kill him first. This part's gonna get a little graphic, so look away. Alright, on the lobster's back, there's a line that comes to a cross section right here. We're gonna put our knife on the tip of the cross section, quickly push down and cut through the head. This will kill him instantly. Now the body will still move, but those are just the reflexes. Now we just drop him into the boiling water. We're just gonna boil that for 2 minutes. We're not trying to cook it all the way through. We just want to release the meat from the shell. Alright, that was 2 minutes. Let's get him out on a tray. Alright, here's our lobster. Let's begin extracting the meat like Gordon Ramsay shows. First we rip the claws off. So we get down at the base and twist. There's one claw. Twist. And there's a second claw. Next thing Gordon does is straightens out the tail, grabs it at the base, and twists. And pull. Alright, I'm gonna move this over for a second. Let's get a cutting board going. First, let's do the lobster tail. Alright, Gordon grabs a towel and kind of crushes the shell lightly. Alright, now we start peeling off this shell. Alright, we're actually getting it. Don't want to break this meat. Alright, once we got most of the shell off, he says to pinch here and shake the rest of the tail out. Aha! Alright! We got a full tail. Alright, I'm gonna put that on a tray for now. Alright, next we got the claw. I'm just gonna break this. Twist. Let's take care of the blade. So I'm gonna rock it back. Twist. Pull. Blade is out of there. Alright, we gotta extract the meat out of here. We gotta keep it whole. Alright, so it looks like Gordon hits the back of this with his knife. Here we go. Just kind of twist that. Oh, shoot. Aha, there we go. Alright, let's just kind of shake that out. And we got a full claw. Alright, let's try it one more time with the other one.
Are you listening?
Ah, pinky in. That's way easier. And we got a full-on other claw. Got some stuff splattered on ya. There we go. Now we're left with 2 knuckles. Now he doesn't really show what to do, so I'm just gonna break these at the joint by breaking this with a knife. Aha, here we go. And I'm gonna do the same thing with this one. And we're gonna get that meat out of there. Boom! And we got the full knuckle. Did you see this? Look at that. One more time. Knife. Oh my god. Get that shell off of there. And we got another. Whoa. And we got And we got another full knuckle. The legs. We're gonna break off each one of these legs. Put that back over there. There's meat in here. Check this out. Gordon takes scissors and snips off the end. And we're left with this. How do we get the meat out of there? Rolling pin. Oh. Welcome.
Ew, it's like
good to see you. Look at that leg. All right, last step. We gotta clear out the head for presentation. Really, I think all we're gonna do is just kind of pry this out. All right. Gross. Gross. And gross. All right, we got that cleaned out. All right, and before we present, we're just gonna cut this shell so it stands upright. There we go. That's garbage, and now that stands up. All right, so Gordon takes the tail and puts a couple of slits in there to help it lay flat. Hey, and that really works. All right, let's go present. All right, we're gonna start off by laying the tail down. Next, we got the claws, followed by the knuckles, and the legs, followed by the head. Now we just lightly brush it with some olive oil. that's how you present a lobster like Gordon Ramsay. Check that out. You guys can totally try this. Impress someone at home. Invite some friends over. Present the lobster like this. It's easy for you to do, and it'll blow their minds. Look at this. It's crazy. This is Masterchef stuff. Extracting lobster meat, Gordon Ramsay challenge. Extracting lobster meat, Gordon Ramsay challenge. Extracting lobster meat, Gordon Ramsay challenge. Hey, and thank you guys for watching.